Hello everyone. If you watch my videos, you know that we have already discussed what collocations are in our previous video. So let's revise it quickly in short. Collocations are the predictable combination of two or more words that are commonly used together in English. Or in simple words, we can say they are word pairings that goes hand in hand with each other. For example, we say dark chocolate, not dark tea, make a noise, not do a noise, a quick shower, not a fast shower, heavy rain, not strong rain, absolutely necessary, not very necessary, and so on. In the last video, we saw some words that go with the word pay. I'll put the link in the description box for you to check if you haven't. The video named as Collocation 1 covers collocation in detail, with also an interesting quiz to attempt. And in this video, we will learn new collocations with the words like accept, lose, pick and put, citing 10 examples of each with a detailed explanation of first 5 with their proper meanings and sentences they are used for. Remember, collocations makes it easier for our brain to remember the language in chunks as compared to single words that we see or study in general. Just by seeing and hearing them, we can recognize the combined words quite well and increase our vocabulary size and its fluency. So without much ado, let's start with our first word, accept. So happy learning! But let me tell you that other than what we have learned, there are many more collocations. Some start from the words as shown. They can either be noun, verb, adjectives, or adverbs. Thus, before I finish, here is a match test for you on collocation. Write the correct match in the comment section and I shall reply back to you on it. Thank you and have a lovely day.